A simple successful boy. So today our story is inspired by a simple successful boy. In a small village nestled between green hills and golden fields lived a boy named Arav. He was neither the tallest in his class nor the fastest runner. He did not have the newest clothes or a fancy phone, fancy dresses, and fancy shoes. But Arav had something rare inner power, a calm mind, and a steady heart, a learning heart, a learning attitude. He lived with his mother, a school teacher, and his grandfather, a retired farmer. Life was not easy, but it was peaceful. Arav woke up every day at 5 a.m., helped his grandfather in the garden, then walked 3 kilometers to school. He did not complain, one step at a time. And today we are always complaining. His grandfather always said, and Arav believed it. He was not the smartest boy in the class. He was not a richest boy in the class. His marks were average, not topper, not a backbencher, but he's average in studies. But he paid attention. He asked questions not to impress anyone, but because he really wanted to understand. He really wanted to know to how how the things actual work. Will others raced to finish homework. Arav took his time. Slowly, steadily, he improved. One day his teacher announced a science competition. A science competition. The winner would get a scholarship to a city school. Everyone got excited. Some kids went straight to the interest or bought expensive kits. Arav had none of that. He did not even own a computer, but he had curiosity. He decided to build something simple, a water purifier using charcoal, sand, and gravel. It was not flashy, it did not use any sensor or wires, but it worked. He tested it over and over, adjusting the layers, cleaning the containers. Nothing, everything in a small notebook. At the competition, his project stood beside blinking robots and solar powered fans. The judges walked by, barely noticing him, but one of them, an older scientist, stopped, asked him questions, and looked closely at the purifier. Arav explained it clearly, humbly, just like he had practiced in front of his mother. Later that day, the results came in. Arav stood quietly in the back. When they called his name as the winner, he did not react. At first, everyone turned to look. Some clapped politely. A few whispered, "Really, that simple purifier?" But the judge came on stage and said, "Innovation is not always about big ideas. Sometimes it's about solving real problems in simple, effective ways." This boy did just that. Arav got the scholarship. He moved to the city, a good school. At first, it was overwhelming. Tall building, fast buses, noisy streets. But he kept to his routine. woke up early, studied, asked questions, listened. He did not try to be someone else, he stayed simple. Years passed, Arav became an engineer, then an inventor. Inventions. He created affordable tools for clean water, farming, and education. Tools used in hundreds of villages, including his own. He never sought fame, but it came. People started calling him the quiet genius. One day, a journalist asked him in an interview, "What's your secret? How did you become so successful?" Arav smiled and said, "I never rushed. I just kept walking one step at a time." So, moral of a story, success does not always wear a suit or speak loudly. Sometimes it walks barefoot, listens carefully, and stays humble. Our life reminds us that you don't need to be rich, loud, or brilliant to succeed. You just need to be consistent, curious, and kind, and a learning attitude. So thank you so much for watching my video. We will meet next video, and please tell me this story, how you inspire in this story, and never skip your vision. Always remember your vision every single day. Thank you so much.